2014 Ford pickup truck, and on this truck driver's power seat doesn't move forward. I will show you what I did. Quick fix. Let's get started. Power seat motor works, but switch has a problem, and I eventually will need to get a new one. And yeah, you don't want to use a pillow, and this seat doesn't move forward. And what to do, I will show you what I did. Quick farm fix. Let's dive under the seat. As you can see there's an electric motor and two wires coming to the electric motor. And what I did, I just crimp quick connectors to those wires, and as you can see, one wire has a black tracer and another just green, and I swap them and change the polarity of the DC electric motor, and that way I can move my seat forward. Very simple. Yeah, as you see, one wire has a black tracer, another just green, and you just simply switch the wires like that on those quick connectors, and your seat will go in your desired direction. And I push back and seat will go forward. If I need to go back, I will just switch the wires, and good for now until I will get a switch. Bye bye.